Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn water, a precious gift together, step by step. Hello friends, I am Vidya. Water is a precious gift. We need water every single day. Today we will learn how we use water and why we must save it. We use water in so many ways. We drink water when we are thirsty. We use it to bathe and wash our hands. We use water to cook our food and clean our homes. Water helps us all day long. Where does water come from? It comes from rivers, ponds, and lakes. Rain falls from the sky to fill them. At home, clean water comes from taps and wells. Water comes from nature, so it is special. We must not waste water. Always close the tap after using it. Do not let water spill and run away. Every drop of water is precious. When we save water, there is enough for everyone. To recap, water is a precious gift that we use every day for drinking, bathing, and cooking. It comes from rivers, rain, and taps. We must save every drop and never waste it. Be a water saver, friends. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.